What up, BoobTube? I'm back.
I think they
Just wanted to show you guys the finished result. If you want, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for new tips and new content like this. Just make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. It doesn't cost a thing. Make sure you guys leave a comment, tell me what you think. And if you like these kind of videos, or if you just like to see the work getting done in the meanwhile. But yeah, let me know in the comment what you guys think about these videos. Because like I said, I'm new at this, and these videos ain't really about me, they're about you. So if you want, let me know what you think, because you know it does help me out a lot. And make sure you guys hit that like button, because it does tell me that you like it, and I appreciate it. But this is that job that we used the 60-foot extension ladder on. And this is the job that they originally didn't put J-channel on, and it just destroyed a bunch of wood underneath of everywhere the J-channel should have been. And they said this house was 30 years old, and come to find out that it's just one of those things, like it's been like this for a long time. So they just kept putting band-aids over it, to the point where I had to replace a bunch of windows, a bunch of wood, trim, and then plywood, because from where if the rain starts, if you got a leak up top, by the time it hits the bottom, it just gets wider and wider before it hits the bottom. But needless to say, we got it all sealed up, and it's looking good again. So I just wanted to show you guys the finished result and what you guys think about it. And like I said, for new tips and new content like this, just make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It don't cost a thing, but it does help us out tremendously. And even if you don't hit mine, anybody's videos, especially if they're new coming up, and we're trying to, the biggest thing that we can do is get subscribers and like buttons pushed, and because it shows that people showing, if people interact with the video, then YouTube thinks it's something, and it shouldn't be like that, I think. But that's my opinion. But needless to say, back to the subject. We ended up having to like almost 3-coat all this trim because it was a white originally, and people don't realize when you transfer from white to black, you got to get every little crevice, every little crack. You got to caulk everything. You got to fill everything back up, because the white, that if you're sitting on the ground, you can see white showing through anything. We just roll at the front of everything. So it takes extra work, extra time, and extra like you really got to pay attention to what you're doing to make sure that you get everything covered up and coated and looking good and looking like it's supposed to. Because like I said, this has been a 3-week, almost 4-week job. It's probably been over 4 weeks long, but we've only been working on it like a solid 3 weeks because of all the rain and everything. So it definitely turned out decent. I wish it could have turned out better, but we're only as good as the guys that we got, so it plays a big factor and stuff. Needless to say, tell me what you guys think in the comments, because it does matter. And hope you guys enjoy. And we also touched up the siding and got the siding squared back around. Like I said, a lot of that stuff was leaking, and it really needed some serious caulking. I think we used like 2 cases of caulking on this place, which is kind of common if this place was new, which is not. But I actually have a cabinet job coming up. I'm going to brush all the cabinets and then spray the fronts, and then I'm going to put it back together. So if you want to see that video, that should be the next one coming down the pipeline. So like I said, stay tuned, stay subscribed. Appreciate all your help, your support.
All be black.
I know it's hard to get started, and that's what we're trying to do. Love you.